Videoing them. Joel was like trying to get her to walk faster. He's like, walk a little, walk faster. Oh, they're so cute. Where are they going?
No, this way.
Guys, this way. Hey Zia and Jolie, we're going to go this way, guys. You want to come back this way? You have to turn around.
Turn around.
That's it. I don't want to let it go. That way, that's right.